Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss fourth lesson from our course book Big Data, Big Insights. It is informative essay. It is about the big data and its effects. Big data has changed our life completely. Big data is just like a genie in our hands, as if saying, क्या हुक्म है मेरे आका. एखाद्या जिनीप्रमाणे माहितीचा फार मोठा साठा म्हणजे बिग डाटा. Whatever the online activity we do, when we like the post on Facebook or we share a post on WhatsApp, sometimes we do online purchase. Each and every online activity is recorded. It is monitored and analyzed. This is big data. Let us discuss in the lesson what is big data and how it has affected the different fields related to our life. See page number 36. Big data, big insights. What is big data? There is a revolution in the lifestyle of people which has been affected by big data. It means that big data affected our life, our food habits, our health care, our traveling, our scientific pursuits, you name it, and everything has changed 360 degrees. 360 degrees means there is complete change. And why this complete change happened? It is happened due to big data. The massive data available. Massive means very, very big. The massive data available with us can really work wonders. जो काही आपल्याकडे माहितीचा डाटा अवेलेबल आहे त्याच्यामुळे आश्चर्यकारक अशा प्रकारचा बदल झालेला आहे. एव्हरीथिंग इज चेंज्ड. आवर लाईफस्टाईल इज चेंज्ड, आवर फूड हॅबिट्स चेंज्ड, ट्रॅव्हलिंग चेंज्ड, हेल्थ केअर चेंज्ड, एव्हरीथिंग. Almost each and every field of our life. आपल्या जीवनाच्या प्रत्येक क्षेत्रात या बिग डाटामुळे संपूर्णपणे बदल घडून आलेला आहे. Friends, do you know what happens when we like a post on Facebook or share a post on WhatsApp? Visit any website, make online purchases, or watch videos. Yes, whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored, and analyzed. Our online activity is recorded, it is monitored, and it is analyzed. Analyzed means ॲनालिसिस केलं जातं, त्याचं विश्लेषण केलं जातं. ती माहिती कशा प्रकारची आहे त्याचं विश्लेषण केलं जातं. सो अ ह्यूज अमाऊंट ऑफ डाटा इज कलेक्टेड. एव्हरी सेकंड देर इज द डाटा इज कलेक्टेड. लेट मी गिव an idea of how huge the data might be. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes. Byte is unit. Unit म्हणजे एकक. To measure the distance between two cities, we say kilometers. We measure it in kilometers. Kilometers काय झालं? एकक झालं. To measure the milk or oil, we use liter. In the same way, digital information or computer storage capacity is measured in byte. Byte is unit. And how much it is? Let me give you an idea of how huge the data might be. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes. Petabytes means 10 to the power of 15. 10चा 15 घात. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into how much times? 15 times. Exabytes means 10 to the power of 18. Means 10 into 10 into 10 into how many times? 18 times. 1 exabyte is equal to 1000 petabytes. 1 exabyte is equal to 1000 petabytes. Now you can imagine how massive, how big figure it is. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes. 10चा 15 घात किंवा 10चा 18 घात इतकी मोठी माहिती कलेक्ट केली जाते. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes of data consisting of billions to trillions. बघा, अब्जो लोकांचा at every second कितीतरी लोक काय असतात? ऑनलाईन असतात. And they do different online activities, and all the activities are recorded, all the activities are monitored, and all the activities are analyzed. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes of data consisting of billions to trillions of records of millions of people worldwide. Millions of people, all from different sources. For example, web, sales, customer contact centers, social media, mobile data, and so on. Whatever the online activity we do, that is recorded, that is monitored and analyzed. मग ते ऑनलाईन इंटरनेटवर जाऊन तुम्ही काही माहिती पहा, सेल्स करा किंवा परचेस करा, कस्टमरला एखाद्या कॉन्टॅक्ट करा, सोशल मीडियावरती जा, व्हॉट्सअप असेल, फेसबुक असेल, किंवा तुमचा मोबाईलवरून बोललेला असेल. That data is collected, that is recorded, that is stored, that is monitored, and that is analyzed. The data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing, and it is increasing second by second, minute by minute, hours by hours, day by day. It is increasing, and it is stored. The data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity, and value. Almost in all aspect, day by day, the data is increasing. It is increasing in volume, means size, variation, different types of messages. Velocity means speed, it's speedily it is increasing. Veracity, truth, and value. The big data is increasing. Such a big data is easy to obtain. On a click, we can obtain that data. We can get that data. Such a big data is easy to obtain, but so massive. It is so massive. Massive means very big. इतक्या प्रचंड प्रमाणावर माहिती कलेक्ट केली जाते. It is so massive that it challenges the current computing technologies. टेक्नॉलॉजी कमी पडावी एवढं काय झालंय, एवढा मॅसिव्ह डाटा काय होतोय, कलेक्ट होतोय. टेक्नॉलॉजीज अँड हेन्स बिग डाटा अनालिटिक्स is used to give insights that were previously incomprehensible. Incomprehensible means not possible. पूर्वी कम्प्युटर, इंटरनेट, मोबाईल या गोष्टी येण्याच्या पूर्वी, थोडे 5-25 वर्षापूर्वीचा काळ इमॅजिन करा. त्यावेळेला या गोष्टी शक्य नव्हत्या, त्या आता शक्य झाल्या आहेत. सगळी माहिती एका क्लिकवर तुम्हाला अवेलेबल आहे. यू आस्क इट, यू से इट अँड दॅट इज देअर ऑन इंटरनेट. तुम्ही एखादी गोष्ट म्हणा आणि ती इंटरनेटवर तुम्हाला मिळेल. Such a big data is easy to obtain, but so massive that it challenges the current computing technologies, and hence big data analytics is used to give insights that were previously incomprehensible. Big data analytics is the complex process. Complex means slightly difficult. Complicated process it is of examining large and varied data. Each and every online activity is recorded, it is monitored, and it is analyzed. So it is not so easy. It is complex process of examining large and varied data sets or big data to uncover information. Suppose you sent a message and you deleted it, but still that was already recorded. तुम्ही एखादा मेसेज टाकता आणि डिलीटही करता. कदाचित जो रिसिव्हर आहे त्याला मिळत नसेल, त्याला तो कदाचित वाचता येत नसेल, पण द मोमेंट यू सेंड दॅट इट वॉज रेकॉर्डेड. तुम्ही तो पाठवल्याबरोबर त्याच क्षणाला तो काय होतो, रेकॉर्ड होतो, त्याचं रेकॉर्ड ठेवलं जातं. सो big data to uncover information such as hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. Big data is useful. कशा प्रकारे त्याचं विश्लेषण केलं जातं? हिडन पॅटर्न्स म्हणजे कुठल्या प्रकारचा मेसेज आहे, काय त्याच्यामध्ये सांगितलंय, हिडन पॅटर्न्स. अननोन कोरिलेशन्स म्हणजे एका क्षेत्राचा दुसऱ्यावरती काही परिणाम आहे का, मार्केटवरती काही आहे का, हाऊ इज द डिमांड, हाऊ इज द सप्लाय, मार्केटमध्ये डिमांड कसं आहे, सप्लाय कसं आहे, प्राइसेस कसे आहेत, वेदर दे आर हायर ऑर इन्क्रीजिंग ऑर बिकमिंग लेस, कमी होत आहेत की वाढत आहेत, एव्हरीथिंग. अननोन कोरिलेशन्स किंवा एखाद्या व्यवसायाचा दुसऱ्यावरती काय इफेक्ट होऊ शकतो, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीचं ॲनालिसिस कशावरून केलं जातं? बिग डाटावरून केलं जातं. मार्केट ट्रेंड, मार्केटचा ट्रेंड काय आहे, अँड कस्टमर प्रेफरन्सेस, व्हॉट द कस्टमर्स प्रेफर, कस्टमरला काय प्रेफरन्स आहे, कस्टमर काय मागणी आहे कस्टमरची, त्यानुसार फ्युचर काय केलं जातं, कंपनीजकडून प्लॅनिंग केलं जातं. विथ सच अ ह्यूज डाटा अवेलेबल विथ द इंडस्ट्रीज, they can have innumerable advantages. This big data is useful for industries and for the, it is for the companies, it is advantageous to the companies as well as to the industries. How it is beneficial? With such a huge data available with the industries, they can have innumerable advantages. Hence, all the industries are trying to reap the maximum benefits. How maximum they can try to get the benefits with the help of this big data collected. With such a huge data available with the industries, they can have innumerable advantages. Hence, all the industries are trying to reap the maximum benefit from it. Many industries have advanced by miles from their competitors. It is not the amount of data that is important, but what the organizations do with the data is what matters. In this way, we have discussed about what is big data. In the next video, we will discuss the further details. Okay, goodbye. Take care.